Well, this is about time. Brown Mokgotsi has been arrested, and this happened yesterday. After he testified at the Matlanga Commission, 41 minutes later, he was arrested in Pretoria. Even his lawyers found out through the app Twitter, which is called X right now. So even the lawyers didn't even know that this guy was arrested. But people on Twitter, they investigate these kind of things. So this was bound to happen because this guy has been arrested for perjury, forgery, and also defeating the ends of justice. I'm surprised those are the only charges. But the most notable charge is because he forged his own assassination, which I don't understand why he had to do that. He didn't even have to do that. So, yeah.
Our client, as he was leaving the Matlanga Commission today after testifying, he was arrested on his way home. That is the details that we have so far in relation to his arrest.
And where? What time did this happen?
It happened immediately after the commission. I'm not sure about the exact time, but it should be in Pretoria. That is where he was actually arrested.
Are you specific of the charges he might face?
The charges that we anticipate, or according to the information,
his arrest has been looming because a week ago there were rumors that he's already been arrested. I almost reported on it. I had to actually verify if it's actually true. It wasn't true that time, so I'm not really surprised that he actually got arrested this time. So yeah, man, this was bound to happen. According to me, like, there are so many charges that they can find him on. I mean, this guy was an ANC fixer. They claim that he's a businessman, but which business has he conducted, this guy? And it doesn't even seem that competent to run a flowing, profitable business. So most probably he's a middleman to some heavy criminal syndicates and heavy people out there in the underworld, quote unquote. And I'm still wondering,
according to the information at this stage, is defeating the ends of justice, and it relates to the case that he opened in Vosloorus, where there was an attempt on his life.
And were you alerted about the arrest earlier, or did this take you by surprise?
It has taken us by surprise, and the position that we hold now, or rather from our client's perspective, is that this has everything to do with his evidence at the Matlanga Commission today.
As I've been saying, that this guy is no businessman because he's just a middleman between Ket Matlala and high-ranking politicians. And the most notable one is Suleiman, which obviously after this, I think Suleiman is the next person to get arrested because he got finessed by Brown Mokgotsi and Ket Matlala. So they finessed him of about 3 million. I don't remember, but it was in the millions. So yeah, man.